Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Volkswagen T2 pickup, and I personally loved this casting, so I immediately bought it because I do have, Volkswagen T2, even T3, I guess T1, T2, T3, all the three, but I don't think I have a pickup. I don't remember. No, I do have one pickup, I think in Majorette, but I don't remember whether it's a T1 or T2 or T3. Okay, but this is the first one in Hot Wheels. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks good. Okay, I don't see much of a paint job issue as of now. So there are no headlight detailing here, but it is, like engraved in, and the Volkswagen logo looks okay. Honestly, even with this big of a logo, they messed it up. You can see it is a bit offset. They can't do anything right? Okay, so there are no taillight details as well, but the exhaust details here looks really amazing. Looks really cool here. And so the bed is actually plastic, and the body is metal. The interior is chromed out plastic. Honestly, I don't really like that. So the chassis is plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting. See, there is not really much to talk about this casting because it's very simple casting if you ask me, but it does feel heavy. Let's see. Okay, 35 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. It actually hits the track, on the bottom. The chassis is hitting the bottom a little bit. Let me just, yeah, here. The moment it reaches here, it hits. Okay, now it rolled really well. I don't know. It does roll really well. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just putting on right side of the casting and let it slide throughout the track. Okay, this time it didn't roll really well. Let's do one more try. Okay, but I don't know, something is messing up here, but it rolls really well. Yeah, it rolls really well, but sometimes it is missing the mark. Sometimes it is getting, I don't know, this part, it feel this side of this, the chassis is actually hitting along with the track. I'm not sure how to resolve that, but if it rolls really well. If it doesn't, it just stops midway through. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.